Hello everyone, so today we are solving this problem, most beautiful item for each query. So what is happening over here is you are given a 2D integer array items where items I equal to pricei and beautyi. So pricei is the some number, the price of that beauty, and beauty is another number. So that combination is given in this array. Okay, so it denotes price and beauty of an item respectively. You are also given another array, zero index integer array called queries. For each query j, you want to determine the maximum beauty of an item whose price is less than or equal to the query j. So this query array is also having the prices. So if no such item exists, then the answer of this query is 0. So return an array of answers of the same length as queries. Here every query j has the answer jth query. So let's understand what is happening. See here. For example, this is items, right? So every tuple has like first value is the price and the second value is the beauty. So for example, see here, this is the queries. So let's take first example 1. Okay, so we will see here the price 1, we will get the beauty 2, right? So we got here beauty 2. Similarly, if we take randomly, let's say we are taking 3. Okay, so what is the price for 3? For price 3, the beauty is 2. But at the price 2 we are getting beauty 4. So 2 is less than 3, right? So we can also get this maximum value would be 4. Because at a lesser price, if we are getting a more beauty, we have to take the maximum value. So similarly, we have to do this for all the queries, and we have to return an answer array. This is what we have to do. So there could be one more scenario. For example, see here. The price is 1 for all the items, all the beauty's price is 1, and query is having only one price called 1. So we will see here which one to pick. We will pick the maximum value. If we are getting a value for the less than or equal to price, let's get the maximum beauty. So here the answer would be 4 because only one query. Similarly, if we have the items like this, that price is 10 and beauty is 1000, and the query array is giving only a price 5. So for price 5, we are not able to get any beauty here because we should have a price which is greater than or equal to this price. Okay. So in this case, it is returning 0. This is what we have to do. So let's elaborate it more with an example. So for example, these are our values. This is items. These are the values, and this is the queries. So let's start with this guy. So price is 1. So at price 1, what we can get? We can get price 1. We can get beauty 2. Nothing else, right? So we can put here beauty 2. Now come to this guy 2. What is the beauty we can get with the price 2? So here at 1 we can get 2. At 3 is greater value. So at 2 we can get 4 as well, right? Other values are greater. So with the price 2 we can get a beauty 4. So let's get beauty 4. Now comes to 3. So 3. So see here this price is less than 3. So we can get 2. Similarly, this is equal to 3, so we can get 2. But see here, this is 2, which is less than 3, right? So lesser price, we are getting beauty 4. So this is also one valid value. Now let's look. So see here, with the value 3, we are getting 5. So let's get this best value. So I'm putting here 5. Okay. Now come to this guy, 4, right? So 4, we can get with the 3, 5, right? So let's look for other values. So see here, other values is 5, which is greater than this price. So our next value would be here 5 only, right? See here with the 3 we can get 5, right? And we have price equal to 4. Now come to 5. So with the 5 we are getting 6 directly. Other values are smaller, right? So we are directly getting 6. So let's put 6 here. Now come to this last guy. So 6 is not directly available, but the smaller value which is giving the max value is 5. So with the price 5 we are getting the value 6. So 6 also should be the, here also it would be 6 only. So this should be our answer. So this is what we have to do. I will tell you what would be my approach here. First of all guys, we have to get this sorted because in the question it is not given that this queries would be always sorted, right? Though in an example it is giving like that, but we just cannot say that it would be always sorted. So we have to sort the queries, and based upon sorting we have to also store the corresponding index, because after sorting the values would be here and there, right? So we should track of the index as well, because we need to return an answer query, and at answer query we need the exact index in the original array, right? So for that reason what we will do is we will make another array. Let's say we are calling it query index. Okay, query index. So this would be a 2D array having the cell size 2 only. So there would be 2 columns only. So this 2D array, basically whatever the size of this guy, let's say size is n, so there would be like a new int of size n. So you can say n size and 2 size, right? 2 columns and n rows. This kind of array it would be. Okay, so what we will do here is, like, let's say this is our array. So this array would be look like this. So see here, this will store this 1. Okay, so 1 will be having what? Its index is 0. So first value is price, second value is its index. Similarly 2. So 2 will go to 1. Okay, its value is 2 and its index is 1. Similarly 3 will go to 2. Okay, and 4 will go to what? 4 will go to 3, right? The value and their corresponding index in the array. Similarly, it would be 5 and 4 and 6 and 5 would be with 4 and 6 and 5. So this would be what we gonna store. Okay, so now whatever array we got, we have to sort it based upon the price. So this is the sorted one. So we just created like this the corresponding value and its index, like 1 0 2 1 3 2 4. 4 is sitting at index 3, 5 is sitting at index 4, 6 is sitting at index 5. So and then we will sort based upon the price value, means the first value. Sort on the price value. Now we are done with this. So after sorting this, we are coming to this original array. Okay, this items array. So this items array also we have to sort based upon the price. So first value is price only, right? So we have to sort it based upon that. So how it would look like? So it would be look like, let me do it right here. So it would be something like this. So see here, what is the smallest price? The smallest price is 1. So we will let's write it here. So first value would be 1 and its corresponding beauty is 2, right? Then second value should be 2 and 4, right? So 2 is the price and it is giving us beauty 4, right? Then we have this guy 3. So 3 is this thing price and the beauty is 2. So let's say we will store it 3 and 2, and then we would have this guy as 3 and 5. Okay, then we will have this guy 4 and like this, and then we have 5 and 6. Okay, 5 is giving us the beauty 6, so 5 6, it would be like this. Okay, so their size need not to be same, right? Here, see here, 1 2 3 4 5, this is size 5 and this is size 6. Okay, so this would be look like this. We have sorted it based upon the first value, which is price. Now after sorting this, what we will do is we will run a loop. Okay, we will run a loop. For example, this guy is already sorted, so we will take this thing. Okay, so what is the initial index here? So index value is 0, right, for the very first guy. So we will keep it index equal to 0, and what is the price here? Price is 1. Okay, so price we have got 1. Now what we will do is we will traverse through this array till we are getting a price in this array which is smaller than or less. So see here, we are coming here with the price 1. So we are getting this price equal to 1. Okay, if we go to here, this is greater, so we will stop only till here. So what we will record here? We will find the beauty 2. So what we will do? So index, whatever index we got, what was the index? Index was 0. So in answer array, at 0 index, what we will put? We will put this beauty. So this beauty would be 2, right? Anyway, this answer would be of size this guy n, right? So let me do it like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 4 and 5, that only make the 6. Okay, so first of all we are done with this value 2. Let me change the color. Okay, now we are done with this guy. Okay, so we are at here. Okay, now we'll come into this value. This value is, what is the price here? Price is 2 and corresponding index is 1. Okay, so for price 2, what all things we can go? So we are now starting from here, because till here anyway it was sorted on price. So till here we already found. Okay, so see here, we'll go here. So this price is greater than or equal to 2, right? This is 2, this is also 2. So what value we are getting? We are getting value 4. But we don't know, there could be further values, correct? So we are coming here, but see here, this value is basically smaller, right? This value is now 2 would be smaller than 3. So anyway we found 4, we'll put this value 4 here. See here, this time our index is 1, right? So for this index we are putting. So at 1 index I have put 4. Now we're coming to here. So what is the value here? The price is 3 now, index is 2. So we'll keep on starting from here. So we're starting till the time it is less than or equal to 3. So 3. So what is this? This 3 is basically equal to 3. So anyway we got a price 2. Okay. So but we will still keep on going. So see here, this also 3, right? That means it is in our reach. But this time we are getting price 5. So we should update our previous value, right? So we are getting 5. Let's get 5 there. Okay. So we would have a new value 5. Now we are coming to here. But this is 5, which is greater than 3. So anyway we will stop and we will update here 5, right? So what was the index here? Index was 2. So at index 2 we have to put 5. So let me put 5 over here. Now we are coming to this position, right? We are coming to this position. So what is the value here? The price is 4 and index is 3. So let's go. So we will start from here. This is we got 5 value here. Okay. So far we got 5. We will go here. But this value 5 is basically greater than 4. So we will stop. We will update here 5. Okay. The index is 3, right? So at index 3 I am making it 5. Okay. Now we are coming to this guy. What is the price here? 5. So see here, this is 5. This price is 5 only. There is no more value. So 6 is our answer here. So we will put 6 here. Okay. Now coming to this guy, 6. So index is 5. So see here, there is no value, but yeah, this is a smaller value which is valid, right? Because if we have 6 rupees obviously, or $6, obviously we can purchase the smaller values, right? So at if we have 6, if we are not finding, but we are finding the smaller value, and we should rely on this previous value here. Okay. So see here, previous value we found 6 here. So 6 is basically smaller than 5, greater than 5. We are getting value 6 here. And the previous value also giving us the maximum value. So we have to keep on, whenever we have similar value, or whichever the condition is matching, till that time we have to proceed with that value. Like in 3 case, we got first 2, but we keep on going. Then we found a greater value. So when it comes to the last value, this is our 6, which is this 5 is smaller. It is giving us 6. So let's put 6 here. So we are done with this. So this would be our approach. Okay, what we did is we sorted this array based upon the price. Then we created another array out of this query index, which is of size n and 2. And then we first of all we park the values, means the price and their corresponding index in this array. And then we sorted up based upon the price. Okay, first value. And then what we were doing, we were comparing everything. So this is what we can do, and this would be our answer array. So let me show you my corresponding code for it. So see here, you guys can see here. First of all, I'm taking the whatever the query's length, I'm taking in an array, and this is my answer variable array, which we have to return anyway. And see here, I'm creating the query index with size n and column values 2, so that we can park the price and the corresponding index. So in the queries, see here, I'm going through the queries array, just like we did here. For this array, we created this array out of this guy. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here. So after assigning the queries array values, means the price and their corresponding index, everything is there in query index array. Now we are sorting this query index array based upon the first value, which is price value. Similarly, I am also sorting the items value based upon the first value, which is again a price value. Now see here, we started from here. Initially I have taken the int max beauty equal to 0, and this is my item index. So anyway we are starting from very first location. Now see here, with this for loop I am using n times only, because my answer also should be only n times. And then see here, I am initially taking the current index and current price when we are starting. Just like we started here. See, we took the current price and current index. First value is current price, second value is current index. Then we were checking that what could be the maximum value that we can achieve from this item array. Okay, so same thing we gonna do here. So see here, we are coming. So till the time when item index is less than the item's length, this item index, which we just popped out from query index, and the current price. Okay, this current price. When the current price, when it is greater than or equal to the first value, okay, in item index. In items, at the item index, which we initially started with the 0. So we are starting from here to check it. Okay, so we started for checking from here to left to right. Okay, so same thing I'm doing here. Okay, then what we are doing is, whatever max beauty are coming, I am just parking them so that we will keep on with the maximum value, and I am keep on increasing the item index. Okay, just like we did here. We got the 3, so condition was matching for this value, right? So we got value 2. Now we again got 3, which is greater than, which is less than or equal to this 3. So we again got a maximum value. That is why we are looking for the maximum value. So for that reason we are doing here max beauty equal to this. So that many times we are increasing this item index, because anyway, because things are already sorted, so we don't have to start every time from very first location, because anyway we already parked those values. Okay, so finally when we will come out of this while loop, we are parking this value. So answer on current index, whatever index we initially popped out from the query index, there we are parking this max beauty. And when we are coming out of this entire loop, our answer would be having all the values. So this is my approach. And what is the time complexity here? So time complexity, basically we are sorting it, right? We are sorting the first array and the second array as well. So it would be like sorting takes in general n log n times. And the time space complexity is basically often, because what happens when we call a sorting method, internally that also takes the some space. Okay, so this is what would be my approach. So let me run this code. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If guys have any concern, please make a comment over there.